This instrument reduces pressure in the joint, helps athletes recover faster.
He picked it!
Yeah, we started off rough, really rough. Came second quarter, kind of picked up a little bit. Better throws, better blocking. Not a lot of URs, and we played a good team actually. They came out, punched us in the face first. Next time we just gotta come out, go hard.
At the start of the game, we definitely came out really hard, and we came out ready for this game for sure. They came out really tough though. Like we were not expecting it, but they came out real good. As a school, yeah, I think we're for sure top 3. I think we've been working hard, and all of our players, we came back, and we're all ready to play as a team. We're gonna try to beat Holy Names, Herman, and we're gonna come hard.